Megan with WTI, and if you want to take your dance party up to the next level, then check out these LED toys by Max Party. These things are just so fun to use. They light up so well in the dark. I use them for a mini kids party in my living room, and the kids just had a ball dancing around, and hey, I did too. It was super fun. This thing comes with 88 different pieces. You've got hair clips in here, bracelets, glasses, you name it, it's in here. They all tend to come with a little switch that turns them on and off. These glow-in-the-dark party supplies are a step above your typical glow stick. They're better quality and they light up fantastically. I will admit they are made of plastic, so I'm not gonna go and tell you that these things are gonna last forever, but they are going to last longer than one party. In fact, they even come with an extra set of batteries to replace so that you can continue to use these things. So if you want to kick that dance party up a notch, I definitely recommend these, and that's my point of view.